I better do a quick introduction. My name's Corby and this is my shuttle bus. So I'm going to be trying to install this fuel pickup into the fuel diesel tank, and you can't quite see it in there. Maybe, yep. That's what I'm after. Hopefully I can get that guy out, tap into it with that, and then I can just run the hose, out. It'll come over here and up through a hole that I'll make into the diesel heater. So, yep, that's what I'm going to try to do. Hopefully I can reach that. So, yep, let's try to drill this. This is about 1/4 inch. It would be great if I could make this just slightly smaller, and that way I can use the threads to kind of bite into this. It's copper, which is pretty soft. If I could, that'd help kind of create a little tighter of a seal when I put this on the end. Yeah, so let's go ahead and try that. If not, then I'll just have to drill it out a little bit bigger and we won't be able to thread it in. We'll just have to use the nut. Let's give it a go. Okay, there we go. Got it on there, and that's just threads out. So I'll be able to put this in. I'll be able to put the plug into the tank, and I can just drop this in and thread it in. There we go. Yep. Well, I'll get the air hose, clean those up, but yeah, worked like a charm. All right. So there we have it. I don't want this to rot out because it's unprotected wood, so I'm going to just paint it a bit. Actually, before I do, this hole is 3.5 by 2.5. I'll just make a plug, put it in there, and seal it somehow. Really shouldn't be a problem. We're gonna have insulation above this, but just a little peace of mind. This is the same stuff I painted the okay. So I'm gonna dip this guy into the hole. Take a measurement, kind of how far it is. I'm gonna cut the rest of that off. I'm gonna leave a couple inches from the bottom. One, just so it doesn't suck up any of the crud that's in the bottom of the tank, and two, so that way it, no matter what, it will leave some fuel in the tank. Because I don't want to be out in the middle of nowhere, run my diesel heater all night, wake up to a bus that won't go anywhere. So. Go. So, bottom of the tank. Ugh, damn it. Bottom of the tank to top of the tank is about 12.5 inches. So, we will make this about 10 inches. Cut her about there. Okay. Yeah, it's a 60-gallon tank, somewhere thereabouts. So we're gonna have plenty of fuel in there to run. And I have a little Dremel tool off camera I'm not going to set up just so you can see me cut this off, and I'm not going to do it above the tank. So I'll be back in a minute. Okay, there we go. Let's get this guy installed. Don't need any thread tape on this. It's brass. It's low pressure. Yeah, we'll be fine. There we go. Definitely getting paint all over my tools. That'll do it. Okay. So I'm just pushing this on there. I don't know if I need to put this on now or later, but I'm doing it now. Make sure you got the O-ring on there. Drop it in and thread it. You know, I could have made this easier on myself, made that hole bigger, but you know, whatever. Well, now that's sealed, I could just make it bigger. Save myself a lot more hassle. Maybe I'll just go ahead and do that. And get more paint on everything. Alright, I went ahead and made the hole bigger just so I can reach in here better. Don't know why I just didn't do that in the beginning. I had to make a plug for it anyways. But oh well, you know. Okay, there we go. Now then, not sure which hoses. So this is the hose that came with the heater, and this is the hose that came with this guy, I think. So we'll try this one first. Actually, I was wrong. So this is the hose that came with the fuel pickup. So fuel pickup came with these little tiny hose clamps, so that's all I'm doing there is I'm trying to get that on there. And we'll get the other one on there just so when I don't forget it with the hose and have to. There. Okay. Okay, there we go. Got the other hose on there. Tighten this down. Tighten the other hose clamp down. Now, I'll be able to run that however I want. Now I'll just leave it long and in the way. try to get all those bits of wood out of there. Didn't want to cut that while I had that open. So, but it runs underneath there. And the hose can run wherever I want it. Done. Let's make a plug. Well, let's repaint that. Let's add a plug to the hole in the floor. And I guess we'll just glue it in. Not sure. We'll figure it out. Not a big deal. It's pretty well protected by the tank. The tank is like, it takes up this big whole area. It's a big tank. All right, there we go. I'm probably gonna throw some caulk or something just to seal that hole, but basically just cut out a piece, made a wedge, jammed it in there. So that's really all I'm gonna need to do for that. I'm running my diesel heater fuel line. So that's going all the way over there. Yeah, I spent a lot of time underneath the bus today.